What's going on? It's your boy Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Uh, Today is a day that I was waiting to happen. Um, if you're new to the channel, man, this is a channel where we talk real estate, talk a whole lot of real estate, man. And probably for the last couple months, we've been engaging in some credit things, but. Uh, we're talk everything entrepreneur, and hopefully we'll be putting out a lot more content on different business ventures and things like that. I mean, my mind is wide open when it comes to different endeavors. If you watch one of my videos, uh, if I'm not doing real estate, I'll definitely be doing something else. But being broke and being pointing the finger as to why we're living in certain situations just won't be me. If I'm not doing real estate, I'll definitely be doing something else. So this is an entrepreneurial channel, educational channel, and we're here to give you some facts, straight facts. If we don't know, we don't know. But ultimately, our goal is to educate, inspire, motivate, and to show you how to get this money out here, man. So this particular video, I sent out some disputes. Now, this is my I sent out my second batch of disputes to the credit bureaus. I believe, go back and check it out. I did a video that was going to the post office. But the first disputes I sent out was back in September. So a lot happened since then. I mean, TransUnion wiped out multiple accounts. Equifax knocked out multiple accounts. Experian, not so much. I think I only had 3 things come off Experian. I think I might got 9, 10 left. Equifax and TransUnion knocked off probably about 10 each. So what surprised me was I never received anything from the actual creditors, and I sent out my second dispute probably a little over 2 weeks ago. Actually, and I like to just keep my certified mail, handy. So the first disputes went out on the 9th of September. The second disputes went out on the 22nd of October. So I waited maybe 30 days after I was able to track the packages and seeing when they was actually accepted. I got some response, and then I followed up with the second batch. Now, we can either do this for you or, in these videos, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, But nevertheless, we got all the letters and, every file is different, man. And it's not something where I'm an expert, but I'm seeing the results. I'm doing it for several other people. And it's just something where I can provide the services. Don't really know what that fee will be. It takes a little consultation before we can actually figure that out. But nevertheless, I'm not out here to make money from doing it. I just believe in pay it forward, pay for the services, man, and in return, through the testimonials and things like that, we can turn this into something big. But I got a ton of letters in the mail today. The second round of disputes I did, I actually sent validation letter to the actual creditors, not the credit bureau, the creditors. So today I received maybe 6, 7 packages in the mail, letters in the mail, which ultimately I'm looking at the header on the envelopes, and I can see that they're from some of the particular creditors. So I've been waiting to see what their response will be. I've already disputed with the credit bureaus, and now I did it with them. And ultimately, I am going to have my follow-up method that I am looking to do. So with that being said, okay, they got some pretty nice, pretty substantial information here that we would definitely have to look at, verify, and go over, and it gives you a good indication to what to expect. Like, when you send these letters out, a lot of times they say, well, hey, they don't have this, they don't have that. And once they come back and claim it, validate it, or whatever, then you will know how to move forward. So with these, it's just a matter of going through them, and all these right here from the same company, so there's no need for me to open those. But yes, this is something that we've been waiting on, man. Waiting to see how the creditors will respond, what they do, and ultimately from that point we come back with the method of best challenge to know how we're going to get these things removed off of our report. So this is what this video is about, just letting you know, hey, you will receive something. I assume you send something to the creditors. In this case, they responded pretty quick. So now it's going back to the drawing board, going through my vast library of data and research, and we're going to tackle this. So y'all stay tuned, man. Just wanted to check in with you, let you know, like, once you send these validation letters, ultimately you should be receiving something in the mail. If not, after that 30-day window, 15-day window, then you have the right to come back and dispute these things and tell, get with the credit bureaus, hey, look, they didn't respond, certain time frame, you need to remove it. In this case, I received some letters, so now it's going back and slapping them upside the head a little bit, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna keep updating y'all with the process and let you know what's going on. This is my road to 750 plus. It's your boy Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, giving y'all the news, the blues, and the clues to get your money right, man. It's your boy. Peace.